Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. In this video I will show how I made this 3D logo. I made this logo in Illustrator. Make a logo with separate path like I made and do as I am doing. Make document size about 24 by 24 inch. In Illustrator I separated 3 paths like this. Now I will make 4 separate pages. File, document setup, edit artboard, Alt plus Ctrl plus Shift and click and drag to right side. I will make a high-res PNG file with RGB color and 3 black outline are going to be JPG file with grayscale. You can make them all JPG file with RGB color if you want. I am going to convert these 3 black part to DXF format with online converter. You can make DXF directly from Illustrator also. From File menu, Export, Export as, Save as Type, AutoCAD Interchange File, but for best result, I will convert from online. Let's open this Illustrator file from Photoshop and make JPG. From File, Open, select your AI file, Open, select first page. This first page should be RGB mode because I will make PNG from it. Leave everything as it is. Make resolution 300 and mode RGB, press OK. I made document size bigger to get smooth outline. Save as PNG. I will give my file name logo PNG. You can give any name you want. Close without saving. Open the file again. Select second page. This time we can make it grayscale if you want. Or leave everything as it is and press OK. Save as JPG. As it is the last part, I will make it logo patch 3. JPG quality should be maximum. Again close without saving. One more time open the file. This time select third page, change the mode or leave everything, just press OK. Save as JPG. This time file name is logo patch 2. Close without saving. Open the file one last time. This time last page and press OK. Save as JPG. File name logo patch 1. Close Photoshop and open browser. Now let's convert our JPG file to DXF format. Search for JPG to DXF converter. Take any link from the search result. Select JPG to DXF. There are many more options. You need to select DXF. Click on Choose File to upload your file. For me it is logo patch 3. It can take some time depending on internet speed. Click on Convert. Done. Now download your file. Click on Convert More File. Click on Choose File to select your file. Second file logo patch 2. Select DXF. Click on Convert. Download your file. Again click on Convert More Files. Click on Choose File. I'll select logo patch 1. Select DXF and press Convert. Done. Download your file. Now from your download folder, copy these files and paste in your work folder. Open SketchUp and import your DXF files. From File to Import. If your files are not showing, select AutoCAD file from File type menu. Select and click on Import. Click on Close. Import other files also, same way you imported this one. It looks nice and clean outline. Let's make them small. Keep them side by side. Make rectangle over them. Select them. Right mouse click and explode. Now delete this outer part. Sometime after importing, you get broken lines like this. To fix this, you can just draw small lines with pen tool like this. Now you can select and delete unwanted part. If you get lot of broken lines like this, you can use Make Face tool to fix it. Search S for your Make Face in Extension Warehouse and enable this tool. Select and click here on Make Face tool. Now double click and hide your logo. Now select all these forms and delete. From View, click Hidden Geometry. Select right click and unhide. Let's fix here with Line tool. Before doing anything else, click on View from File menu, then Animation, then Add Scene, and then click on Create Scene. After a while, I will show you how it works. Let's import our PNG logo. Now use Push-Pull tool to make 3D. Click on Outline, move your mouse and click again. I clicked 6 inch and enter on my keyboard to keep 6 inch. I will make this one also 6 inch. Push-Pull tool remembers its last action, so just double click to make it same height. For now, I will make it 5 inch. So push-pull, click, move your mouse 5 and inch sign on your keyboard and enter. Now just double click. Here it looks different color. It means something wrong. Here it is. Just use Line tool to join and delete the line. Triple click, right mouse click and select reverse face. Double click, right mouse click and select reverse face. Same here. Now select right click and make group. Same here. and here also. Align them all. I want to reduce the height here. Now I will show how Scene works. Move your mouse on Scene button, right click and update. It will update this scene of my screen. Now if I hide some part and rotate here and there and got into upside down and click on Scene, it will bring me back to my updated position. It will even unhide hidden object also. Look, it came back to last updated position. Hidden logo also showed up. Now I will pick color from my PNG logo. Select back part. Fill with any color. Click on Edit and take Color Picker. It can match color from the screen. Click on the dark green from PNG logo. It will match the color on selected part. Select middle part. Fill any color. Click on Edit. Take Color Picker. Match color from PNG logo. Now select front part and fill with light orange. Double click and single click to select the front surface. From File menu, Import, select PNG file, import as texture. Click, move your mouse to other corner and click. Right click, texture, position. Drag to fix position. Hold on green pointer and drag to make bigger. Hold, drag and adjust. Need to make a little bigger. Hold Ctrl for easy movement. Take paint bucket, hold Alt and click to copy texture. Now click rest of the places to fill with the texture. Enter and click outside to deselect. Looks good. Select, right click and group. Rotate. Move up. Make a little small. Copy to fix it to my project. This is my SketchUp project. Paste to fix it on the table. I will fix on the back also. So from edit, paste again. It pasted on the back, so move it to fix on the wall. Select the scale tool to enlarge it. Paste again and rotate. Press Q on keyboard or take rotate tool from toolbar. To fix it on another wall, move up and fix it on the wall. Now let's render and get it done. Set the position you want to render and click on this icon, Asset Editor. Click on Setting icon. You can set quality from here. I will set medium. Here in camera setting, I use standard. This is the best for my job. In render output, image width or height, I use 1920 by 1080. Aspect ratio 16:9. In save image, it must be highlighted and you have to show the destination where you want to save. You can change your file type from here also. You can set image quality from here. For animation, you have to select it and also select entire animation if you want to render whole animation. I will not select it now because I will render single frame now. Now click on the teapot icon to start rendering. It takes time, so I'll just show you how I made them. When it will be ready, this red spot become green. Then you have to save the file from here. These are my rendered image. I also made some animation like this. I'll make second part of this video showing how I created these effects. This one is light box. I used this one for one of my project. This one is acrylic logo. If you have any question or suggestions or anything, please leave a comment. Thanks for watching. If you like my work, please like and subscribe. It really inspires me.